And this is not the tips or whatever. This is the popular topics that you should focus on. Whenever this type of question coming out, you must score, guys. Okay, you must score. No need, Grindy, no need, Grindy, no need. Just the same way, advantage, disadvantage. You explain from two different perspectives. Then it's okay. Okay, so this one, I think you can screenshot or whatever. I think copy down is too slow lah. I think you guys more familiar with screenshot, right? Okay, so these are the topic, the popular topic that came out in paper 1 and 2. Okay, no matter paper 1 or 2 lah, you should go through all these topics. This is not the tips or whatever, not the target topic, no, guys. Okay, not the target. These are the topic, right? When you know this, when the paper came out this question, you must score. You must score, okay, because it's a popular questions. Okay, chapter 1, type of business, advantage, disadvantage. You must be very, very familiar. Like just now the question we did, what are the advantage and disadvantage for public limited company? Yes, you should score that question, 8 marks question. Normally in question A1, 8 marks, you should score 2 advantage and 2 disadvantage. Okay, this one familiar, okay? There are 4 of them, sole trader partnership, private limited, public limited, these 4 types. Okay, second one, we have the stakeholder group, the interest conflict. Interest conflict, which means the question that we just did also. You should know, we have internal stakeholder and external stakeholder. All of them, you should be familiar. What is their objective? What's their interest? Okay. Okay, business plan. Yes, business plan also. What are the what you can do with business plan? How business plan can help the business? Yeah, they will ask like that. You should know how to answer also. Business plan. Okay, chapter 2, way of motivating employee. You have non-financial way and financial way. Financial method and non-financial method, up to you. Okay, increase wages, okay, provide training, job, the job enlargement, job enrichment. Okay, all this you can write. Okay, so way of motivating employees are popular questions. Leadership style, the 3 type, guys. Autocratic, democratic, laissez-faire. Okay, you must know how to explain them. Okay, one-way communication, two-way communication, leave to do. Okay, advantage, disadvantage, you should know. What type of way is non-financial? Non-financial, provide training. Provide training to your employees. You can apply job enlargement, job enrichment, rotation. Okay, job rotation also can. Yes, these are the way. So trade union. For trade union, how trade union can help the employees? They will ask something like that. I see once in past year paper, trade union. Okay, trade union is an organization that joined by all the employees to fight for their best interests. Okay, so you should look through the trade union question also. Number 4, full-time and part-time employees. Come on, this one also have to score if it come out. Okay. Full-time and part-time employee, advantage, disadvantage. Full-time more commitment, okay, increase their skill, okay, something like that. Part-time more flexible. Now number 5, on the job, off the job. This one also very popular. On the job means you try to train while you are still working. Okay, train while you still work. So off the job, you train after your work. After your working hour, you train after working hour. So it's called off the job training. Okay, what is just in time or just in time? The one in chapter 4. Okay, later I will go through. Oh, question. Oh, Brahi. I think marketing confirm tomorrow. Paper 1 got nothing. Yes. Chapter 3. Chapter 3 can come out a lot of question 1, guys. So I'm not saying like you should only focus on chapter 3, but you should put more attention on chapter 3. Guys, a lot of questions can be come out. Market research, okay, you should study primary research, secondary research. And then primary research, there are a lot, right? Interview, questionnaire, survey, focus group, all this you should know how to explain it. What are they? Okay? Market research. Secondary, which means you just get the result from the internet. Okay, you go to library, you get the result, and those are called secondary research. Okay? Feedback is primary, right? Like what are the way you use to get feedback? Depends. Okay, pricing method, yes. Oh, mass market, niche market also, yes. Mass market, niche market. You should know what is mass market, target everyone. Niche market, target specific group of people. Advantage, disadvantage, come on, let's go. Okay, you should know also. And then pricing method, I think there are 6 or 7 method for pricing. You should know all of them, guys. Okay, you should know how to explain also, how they work and how should you explain. Okay. Okay, hold on. I think someone's calling me, sir. Okay, Ashley, yes. You got any question? Paper 2 got no defined question. No defined question, yes. Don't have, only in paper 1. Qi Jian, how government support new business, lower income tax. Qi Jian, yeah, it's logic lah, but then you have to explain properly lah. Your explanation lah. How do you link to lower income tax? How lower income tax can help the business? Okay, so continue. Distribution channel, yes, come on. There are four ways of how you selling your product. Okay, you sell to the wholesaler first, you sell to the retailer, you sell to agent. These are the way. Or you sell directly to customer. What are the advantage and disadvantage? Yes, you should know. Distribution channel. You go back to your chapter 3. Okay. Yeah, retailer, wholesaler, yes, and agent. Agent normally is you sell abroad lah. You sell to the other country, then you use agent. Okay. You sell online, then you sell directly to customer. Okay. Retailer is what? Retailer is all the shop lah, the shopping mall one. The shop in the shopping mall is called retailer. Wholesaler is those like big scale business. Wholesaler 是批发商 okay? They will buy in a large scale. Okay, so the chapter 4, let's go to chapter 4, how to improve your quality. Come on. Okay, lean production method, 3 of them. Okay, this is what we call the just-in-time Kaizen, just-in-time self-production. You should know. And then these 2, I want to highlight different thing, guys. Make sure you read the question first. It's asking for lean production method or method of production. It's 2 different things, guys. Okay, pay attention to this one. Method of production is the job batch flow. Yeah, job batch flow, yes. If lean production is Kaizen, Kaizen just in time cell production.